you started off your Japanese learning journey in hopes of being able to converse with Japanese people. But for some reason, you haven't achieved that goal even after years of study. This is because if you've only been doing input, you're not going to be able to do the output, which is exactly what conversing with someone requires you to do. And there's something that's specifically magical about trying to converse in a different language that's different from your native language. It is, even if you understand every single grammar point, as you begin to try to use those grammatical points, you go blank. You are too focused on trying to get across what you're trying to say to the other person. Also, there's the ego that you are not able to accept that you're still beginner in speaking or conversing. If you haven't done writing, for example, which is another output, you're not going to be able to write. Same as that. If you haven't spoken, if you haven't tried speaking, you won't be able to converse. Today I'm going to be providing you with completely free website that allows you to speak with a native Japanese speaker in Japanese. So the website is called Ohanasi Kagawa, and as a premise, there are 3 points that I want to talk about. Firstly, it's completely free. Secondly, it happens on every weekend. Thirdly, it's usually one-on-one. So if you're worried about making mistakes, you shouldn't be. It's basically a virtual language exchange event where you can talk to them in English and Japanese. I will show you exactly what it looks like with much transparency.
During talk time, staff members will periodically check in on you.
So they have explanation on how this works in English and Japanese, yada yada yada. They're gonna explain the policies on stuff.
それでは早速ですが1回目のワンオンワントークに入っていきたいと思います。皆さん
When the explanation video finishes, one of the administrators explains how it goes on this website, both in Japanese and English. So she's speaking Japanese now, but she's gonna speak English afterwards.
また切り替わりまして元の画面に戻りますので、そうしましたら皆さんご自身で
I'm just gonna skip to the part where she speaks English.
We've shared the one-on-one talk table list for the first session on the public chat, so please check it out.
As you can hear, administrators speak very good English. So if you're worried about not being able to communicate with some of the Japanese people, you can talk to the administrators or the hosts. So you find your name in the chat with your number on it. You double click where you're assigned to the number and you start talking with the stranger. As simple as that.
こんにちは。
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 はじめまして、大輝です。
はじめまして、ブルーノと申します。
ブルーノさん。
そう。
あれですね。
ポルトガル人です。
ポルトガル人？
そうそう。
ああ、そうですか。じゃあ朝ですか？
まあ、
昼。
11時間。そう。
11時
？11時。そうそう。
どうして日本語勉強してますか？
まあ、最初から確かまあ、僕はアニメが好きですから、字幕なしで見たいと目標がありますので、その目標のために日本語を初めて勉強していますけど、今は実は僕は目標なしです。ただ、楽しいと思いますけど、勉強の。
じゃあ、アニメを字幕なしで見たくて、日本語の勉強を始めた。
そうそうそう。
けど、今はただ楽しい。
今は目標なしで。
ただ楽しいから。 勉強しています。
すいません。
ただ
改めて
ただ楽しいから勉強
そう
しています。
そうそう。そう楽しい。
ブルーノさんは筋トレが大好き。
本当に大好き。もう16歳から始めて。
じゃあもう15年以上。もうすぐ20年。
そう。
ああ、すごいですね
そ。んな感じ。そうそうそう。
ウェイト
そう
が好き。
そうそうそう。
なるほどね。僕もカリステニクスが好きでしてます。
本当に。
はいだけど、とても難しい。先生がいないから自分で
なるほど。
やってます。
そう
And here we are speaking English for another 15 minutes. Very simple. Basically, you speak Japanese for 15 minutes with a Japanese person and another 15 minutes in English. Having trouble finding a topic to talk about? Don't worry. They have a website that allows you to spin a topic roulette, which gives you a topic to talk about randomly. So you will never run out of a topic to talk about. And it's only 30 minutes tops in English and Japanese. Which means even if you're introverted or shy, you will always find something to talk about, so you won't be awkward. Trust me.
As you could probably feel, the language exchange was basically like talking to a friend. So it's very, very friendly atmosphere. If you're not used to, if you don't like the stiff classroom setting that typical Japanese classrooms have, then I think you like this website and the environment. Why is this free? You might be wondering. Well, I asked Ohanasi Kagawa why it was free, and they told me there was a school that they own, which is the language school they have. So basically, this weekly event is to gather the community of potential students to the language school. But there's no pressure. There was no promoting. The only promotion was like when nobody's paying attention. For example, when middle of a break of matchmaking of the other person that you're talking to. So basically, you start to talk to the first partner, and there was like a break. In that break, during that break, there is like a video of just promoting, like, oh, if you're interested in taking Japanese classes, you can register here now. If you're interested in just doing the free exchange, it's completely free. You just have to register, just put your name, profile, tell them about yourself, put your information like your native language, or just put your basic information, and that's all. You're set to go. And you receive an email from Ohanasi Kagawa to the link to join the language exchange program that's going on a weekly basis. That's all you need to do. So if you're looking for some place to chat in Japanese, I think it's a perfect place. And like I said, I've participated twice, and I've only had good times just talking to people who are interested in Japanese language. I've left the links to the Ohanasi Kagawa's event in the description below and the comment section, pinned comments, so you can check it out. I had a wonderful time with Bruno-san, so I will have a link of his YouTube channel in the description below, so you can check him out. Thank you very much for watching. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Until next time.